Welcome! Choosing a bariatric lifestyle is a big decision. Know that you are not alone in this. We are here to support you every step of the way. This journey is about making positive changes. You are capable of amazing things. Bariatric surgery can be a new beginning. We will talk about the different types of bariatric surgery. You will learn how each procedure works. We will also address the unique needs of women in their 30s and 40s. Get ready to discover a world of wellness. We will provide you with delicious recipes and tips for healthy living. You are about to embark on a transformative path to bariatric bliss. Bariatric surgery refers to procedures designed to help you lose weight. These procedures work by making changes to your digestive system. Gastric bypass is one common type. In this procedure, a small pouch is created from the top of your stomach. This pouch becomes your new, smaller stomach. It bypasses a portion of your digestive system. Another common type is sleeve gastrectomy. This procedure removes a large portion of your stomach. The remaining portion is shaped like a sleeve. Adjustable gastric banding is another option. An adjustable band is placed around the upper part of your stomach. These procedures are typically performed laparoscopically. Women in their 30s and 40s often face unique health considerations. Bariatric surgery can help address weight-related health concerns. Weight loss can also improve hormone balance and reduce menstrual irregularities. It is a commitment to a healthier you. Choosing bariatric surgery is a personal decision. It's important to consult with a qualified healthcare professional. They will discuss the risks and benefits of each procedure. Together, you will determine the best course of action for your unique situation. This is your journey and you are in control. Hi, I'm Molly Larson. I'm so excited to be on this journey with you. I know firsthand the challenges and triumphs of choosing a bariatric lifestyle. A few years ago, I found myself struggling with my weight. That's when I decided to explore bariatric surgery. And let me tell you, it was one of the best decisions I ever made. After my surgery, I realized there was a lack of support specifically for women like us. That's why I'm here. My mission is to empower you with the knowledge, tools, and support you need to thrive after bariatric surgery. We'll cover everything from understanding the different types of procedures to navigating the emotional ups and downs. We'll explore recipes that are both satisfying and good for you. In this video series, we'll embark on a comprehensive exploration of bariatric wellness. Think of it as your roadmap to success. We'll start by diving deeper into the different types of bariatric surgery. Then, we'll move into the exciting world of nutrition. Together, we'll create a holistic approach to wellness that nourishes your body, mind, and spirit. There are various types of bariatric surgery, each with its own approach to weight loss. Let's delve a little deeper into the most common procedures: gastric bypass, sleeve gastrectomy, and adjustable gastric banding. Gastric bypass creates a small pouch from your stomach's upper section. Sleeve gastrectomy involves removing a significant portion of your stomach. Adjustable gastric banding uses an inflatable band to create a small pouch. Discussing these in detail with your healthcare provider will ensure you make informed decisions. Gastric bypass offers significant weight loss potential. During this procedure, your surgeon creates a small pouch from your stomach's upper part. This rerouting limits food intake and alters nutrient absorption. Post-surgery, you'll experience significant changes in your eating habits. Understanding its complexities will pave the way for successful and sustainable weight loss. The first few months after bariatric surgery are a period of significant adjustment. Immediately after surgery, you'll be on a liquid diet, gradually progressing to solid foods. You might experience some discomfort as your body adjusts. Emotionally, you might experience a roller coaster of feelings. Don't hesitate to reach out to your support system for guidance and encouragement. Long-term success hinges on embracing sustainable lifestyle changes. Post-surgery, your dietary focus will shift towards nutrient-dense foods. Hydration is equally important. Aim to sip water consistently throughout the day. Incorporating regular physical activity into your routine is crucial. Exercise not only aids in weight loss, but also improves cardiovascular health and boosts your mood. After bariatric surgery, your relationship with food will change. Understanding the role of macronutrients is essential. Protein aids in healing, preserves muscle mass, and helps you feel fuller for longer. Focus on complex carbs like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Healthy fats are essential for hormone production and nutrient absorption. Portion control is paramount after bariatric surgery. Instead of 3 large meals, think smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day. Aim for 5 to 6 small meals, each about the size of your cupped hand. Visual cues can also be helpful. Be patient with yourself, practice mindful eating, and celebrate small victories along the way. After bariatric surgery, your body's ability to absorb certain vitamins and minerals may be affected. This makes it crucial to prioritize nutrient-rich foods and incorporate supplements. Some key nutrients to focus on include iron, calcium, vitamin D, and B vitamins. Your healthcare provider will likely recommend a daily multivitamin tailored to bariatric patients. Regular blood work will help monitor your nutrient levels and guide any necessary adjustments. Staying hydrated is essential after bariatric surgery. Aim to sip water consistently throughout the day. Avoid drinking large amounts of fluids with meals. Choose water as your primary beverage. Make it a habit to prioritize fluids throughout the day, and your body will thank you for it. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, especially after bariatric surgery. A protein-rich breakfast jumpstarts your metabolism and keeps you full. Try egg white scramble with spinach and cheese. Egg whites are lean protein, and spinach provides essential vitamins. Or, enjoy a Greek yogurt parfait with fresh berries. Greek yogurt is a protein superstar, and berries add natural sweetness and fiber. Breakfast nourishes your body and fuels your day. Lunch and dinner are opportunities to fuel your body with balanced and satisfying meals. Chicken and avocado wraps, a perfect blend of lean protein, healthy fats, and fresh vegetables. Vegetable-packed chickpea salad, a powerhouse of plant-based protein, fiber, and nutrients. Zucchini noodles with lean turkey meatballs, a creative low-carb twist on traditional pasta. Baked salmon with steamed veggies, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and essential vitamins. Snacking can be an important part of your bariatric journey, helping you stay on track with your nutrition goals. Choose snacks that are high in protein, low in sugar, and provide a sense of satisfaction. Greek yogurt, dip with bell peppers. This protein-packed dip is a delicious and satisfying snack. Cottage cheese with cucumber and herbs. This light and refreshing snack is a great source of protein. Prioritize nutrient-dense, protein-rich snacks to stay satisfied and energized throughout the day. While diet plays a crucial role in your bariatric journey, incorporating regular exercise is equally vital for long-term success and overall well-being. Think of exercise as a celebration of your body's strength and resilience, not a punishment. Start slowly, especially in the initial weeks after surgery, and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts as you heal and gain strength. Walking is an excellent low-impact exercise that you can start almost immediately. Begin with short walks around your house or neighborhood, gradually increasing the distance and pace as you feel comfortable. Swimming is another fantastic option, providing a full-body workout with minimal stress on your joints. As you progress, consider adding strength training exercises using light weights or resistance bands. Strength training helps build muscle mass, which is essential for maintaining a healthy metabolism and achieving long-term weight loss. Your mindset plays a pivotal role in your bariatric journey. It's not just about the physical changes, but also the mental and emotional shifts that occur along the way. There will be days when you feel incredibly motivated and others when self-doubt creeps in. That's perfectly normal. The key is to develop coping mechanisms and cultivate a positive inner dialogue. Surround yourself with a supportive network of friends, family members, or a bariatric support group. Sharing your experiences, challenges, and triumphs with others who understand can make a world of difference. Set realistic goals and celebrate every milestone, no matter how small. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on progress, not perfection, and be kind to yourself throughout the process. You are capable of amazing things. Self-care is not selfish. It's essential for well-being, especially after bariatric surgery. Prioritize activities that nourish your mind, body, and spirit. This might include a warm bath, reading, or spending time in nature. Pursue hobbies that bring you joy. Make time to relax and recharge. Self-care is a necessity. Embrace the power of support. Connect with friends, family, or a support group. Sharing experiences can make a world of difference. You don't have to go through this alone. Social gatherings can feel like uncharted territory after bariatric surgery. Handle food pushers, navigate buffet lines, and explain your dietary choices. Be upfront about your surgery and lifestyle changes. Practice politely declining food or drinks. Bring a bariatric-friendly dish to share. Remember, you're not alone in this. Dining out can be both enjoyable and challenging after bariatric surgery. With a little planning, you can confidently navigate restaurant menus and enjoy meals out. Check the menu online beforehand to find bariatric-friendly options. Ask your server about portion sizes, cooking methods, and ingredients. Request grilled or baked food instead of fried. Request sauces and dressings on the side. Substitute steamed vegetables or a salad for heavier sides. Prioritize lean protein sources like grilled chicken or fish. Be mindful of your alcohol intake. Congratulations on coming this far. You've learned about bariatric surgery, explored nutrition guidelines, and discovered delicious recipes. Now, let's talk about turning this knowledge into lasting habits for a healthier, happier you. Building new habits takes time and effort. It's a process, not a race. Don't get discouraged if you stumble along the way. We all have slip-ups. The important thing is to acknowledge them, learn from them, and get back on track. One helpful strategy is to focus on one small change at a time. Instead of trying to overhaul your entire lifestyle overnight, start with something manageable, like drinking an extra glass of water each day or incorporating a 15-minute walk into your routine. Once that small change becomes a habit, you can add another. Celebrate your successes along the way, no matter how small they may seem. Every victory, big or small, is a step in the right direction. As you progress on your bariatric journey, you might find that your needs and preferences change over time. That's perfectly normal. Your body is constantly evolving, and so are your tastes and preferences. Don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen, try new recipes, and adjust your meal plan to suit your changing needs. The key is to find what works best for you and your body. Remember, this journey is about so much more than the number on the scale. It's about improving your health, boosting your confidence, and living your life to the fullest. Be kind to yourself throughout the process. Celebrate your successes, acknowledge your challenges, and never give up on your dreams of a healthier, happier you. You've made it to the end of this incredible journey, a deep dive into the world of bariatric wellness. From understanding bariatric surgery to the importance of nutrition, exercise, and self-care. Remember that first step you took? The one that led you here? It was the decision to invest in yourself to prioritize your health. The path to bariatric wellness is not always easy, but remember this, you are stronger than you think. You have the power within you to overcome obstacles and create a life you love. As you step into this next chapter of your life, remember that you are not alone. Surround yourself with a supportive network of friends, family members, or a bariatric support group. Share your journey, celebrate your victories, and lean on each other for encouragement when you need it most. The bariatric community is a powerful force, and together, you can achieve anything you set your minds to. This is your time to shine. Embrace the journey, savor the victories, and never stop believing in the incredible power of transformation. The world is waiting to witness your strength, your resilience, and your unwavering commitment to living your best life. Remember to nourish your body with wholesome foods, move your body with joy, and nurture your mind and spirit with self-care and positive affirmations. You are capable of amazing things. Go out there and make your dreams a reality.